تفتاوي تكشو ميديا بزي أفرلاي كله هم عدو يعسينو يسوع اللو لعو السماء علو تفتاوي تكشو ميديا ناي كله مهم تفتاوي نفتت ونفحات تفتاوي نعبي ناي سليت تفتاوي عيني رشتي عبي تفتاوي ناي فقري معدي تفتاوي في مدى تفتاو توكشو حاسس الجزء بعد نوشي مجازر له دعمي بزحزن ملكو مالتي كمزي أبزي ده بكندا زقاتنا كمزي تريور لهم كالجاري بوليس زوجو أب تويتر أب كل ما كنا زينا ناي كندا تجاوي حزول زينايو. We have charged a 37 years old man with 2 counts of the first degree murder in relation to the deaths of 2 children found. This is in Northwest Calgary yesterday evening, just after 10 a.m. on Thursday, April 30, 2026. We received a phone call that led us to the 4,500 بحث رزوالة أب كندا قبل إرتراويان مالتيو. እንታይ እዩ ዝብዘሎ ኤርትራዊ መንእሰይ ማለት እዩ ክልተ ደቁ ሆምሳይድ ከም ዝገበረ ከመይ ከም ዝቀተለ እዩ ዝሕበር ዘሎ ዝሕዝን መልክዑ of course this is bad news ኣዝዩ ዝገርም ኣዝዩ ዝሕዝን ንእሽተይታ ጣሽሞ ከስማዓኩም እዚኣ first ኣብ ትዊተር ዘላ ድሕሪኡ ናብ ማዕከና ዜና ናይ ካናዳ ወፅእ ዘሎ ከስማዓኩም ክፍትን እየ
This is a devastating and unimaginable loss. Incidents of this magnitude have a profound and lasting impact, not only on the families and the community, but also on the officers and the first responders who attended the scene and investigate these incidents.
እጂ ንሪኦ ዘለና እዚኦም ክልተ ህፃውንቲ ቆልዑት ኤርትራውያን ምዃኖም እዩ ኣቦኦም እውን ማለት እዩ ኣብ መኪና ሚቶም ከም ዝፀንሑ እዞም ክልተ ቆልዑ እቲ በዓል ኣቦቆ ተንቆልዑ ድማ ምስ በዓልቲ ቤቱ ባእሲ ከም ዝነበሩ ማለት እዩ እጂ ዋላ እኳ ፋርዘር ዲቴል ኣብኡ ዘቐምጥዎ እንተዘየለ ግን መይቶም ከም ዝፀንሑ ልክዕ ሰዓት 12 AM ዝኸውን ዘሎ ማለት እዩ ፖሊስ ግን 10 AM ተደዊልዎም ከም ዝነበረ ከዓ ይዛረቡ ሕጂ ብምንታይ ከም ዝመቱ ብግልፂ ዲቴል ዝኾነ ኢንፎርሜሽን የለን ኣብ መኪና ገዲፍዎም ከም ዝኸደ እዩ ዝዝረብ ዘሎ ኣብ መኪና ከመይቶም ፀኒሖም እዩ ዝበሃል ዘሎ ኣብ ኮርቱን ክቐርብ ምዃኑ ሓበሬታ እዩ ዝወፅእ ዘሎ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ኩሉ ማዕከናት ዜና ናይ ካናዳ ከም ትሪኡ ኣለኹም
A 37-year-old father is charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder.
We located a vehicle with 2 deceased children inside.
37 ዓመት መንእሰይ ክልተ ደቁ በመቅታል ተኸሲሱ ወይ ከም ዘሎ እዩ ማለት እዩ father charges with murder ማለት
The victims have been identified as a 5-year-old boy and a 3-year-old girl.
5 years old ወዲ 5 ዓመት ወድን ጓል 3 ዓመት ጓልን ክልቲኦም ዝሞቱ ዘሎ እዛ ሒዞማ ዝኸዱ ንሪኦ ዘለና ኣደተን ቆልዑ ምዃና እዩ ማለት እዩ
Mother and a community absolutely devastated. Plus, a massive data leak may have put your personal information online.
Like there's a whole range of very possible, very dangerous consequences here.
A local journalist hours before the discovery, but they couldn't help. Kevin Green reports.
Barely able to stand, the children's mother was helped into St. Michael Eritrean Orthodox Church. Her 2 children were found dead Thursday morning inside an SUV on 14th Street Northwest. Police say they were killed around midnight Wednesday. A 37-year-old man has now been charged.
The victims have been identified as a 5-year-old boy and a 3-year-old girl. We have charged the children's father with the 2 counts of first-degree murder.
Inside the church, members of the Eritrean community wept openly, mourning the loss of the 2 children. Police have been called to the family home 4 times, but no charges were ever laid. Wednesday, the father picked up his kids between 5 and 6 p.m. for a planned trip to the playground. When he failed to return, Mom called the police, who told her her best recourse was through the courts, which is where they found her on Thursday and gave her the news.
I think it highlights for me that the conversation really does need to shift and change so that we are more inclusive in our understanding of what is domestic violence and abuse and be a little more concerned maybe about the potential impacts to other people beyond just the two adults in the relationship.
A spokesperson for the Eritrean Church says the murders and subsequent sense of loss is overwhelming for the entire community.
Well,
this has never been happening in our community, and it is just a devastation for us, for the whole community, and we're just shaken by what has happened.
Members of the Police Victim Support Unit, as well as Calgary's Immigrant Outreach Society, were at the church assisting the mother.
It's really hard for mom. She doesn't have any family member in Canada. She raised them alone, and having this, nightmare. I don't know how she's going to bear it.
It was around 10 a.m. Thursday, just meters from the District 3 police station, where officers found the children's bodies.
The accused contacted 911 and stated that he had killed his children and gave his location. He was parked just north of 3 District on 14th Street in the 4500 block, and that's where our officers found him.
Kevin is outside St. Michael Eritrean Orthodox Church tonight. So, Kevin, what are the next steps for this mother and that whole community?
Well, Tara, friends of the mother have told us that the couple were living apart, but still on good terms. They also told us the mom has a sister in Germany and the rest of her relatives still live in Eritrea, and none of them have yet been informed of the murder of the children. In the Eritrean community, mourning typically extends for a period of 30 days where they gather at the church, as you can see behind me. In this case, though, of course, the mother's grief will last forever. The children's father will be back in court on Monday facing those 2 first-degree murder charges.
ናይቶም ቆልዑት ኣቦም ናብ ፍርዲ ክቐርብ ምዃኑ እዩ ዝበሃል ዘሎ ማለት እዩ። ከም ዝፍለጥ ኣደን ኣቦን ናይቶም ቆልዑት ባእሲ ምዃኖም ማለት እዩ። ኣብ መኪንኡ ግን ሕጂ ሜቶም ፀኒሖም ትማውቶኦም ዝምልከት ዲቴል ዝኾነ ኢንፎርሜሽን ከም ዘሰማዑ ፀናሕኩም ኣየቐመጡን። ብሓፈሻ ምስ ተመርመረ ዝያዳ ግን ንቃትሎም ዝምልከት ማለሲ ናይ ኢድ ሰብ ድዩ ዋላስ ኣብ መኪና ዓፂዎም ስለዝኸደ ትንፋስ ስለዝሓፅሮም ድዩ እንታይ እዩ ብልክዕ ንሱ ኣይደንቲፋይ ገበሮም ዘለው ጅስ ክልተ ቆልዑት ግን ከዓ ኣብ መኪና ኣቦኦም ከም ዝሞቱ እዩ እቲ ሓበሬታ ዘሎ። ኣቦኦም ግን ኣብ ኮርት ክቐርብ ከም ቀታሊ ተቢሉ ከም ዘሎ እዩ ማለት እዩ። ብጣዕሚ ዘሕዝነካ ኣብቲ ኤርትራን ኮሚኒቲ ኣብ ካናዳ ኣብ ከቢድ ሓዘን ከም ዘሎ እዩ ዝገልፁ ማለት እዩ። ከምዚ ክትሰምዑ ወይ ከዓ ክትሪእዎ ፅናሕኩም ብጣዕሚ መሕዘን እዩ። ይርዳእኒ ፋሚሊ ኮይንካ ባእዚ ከጋጥመካ ክእል ግን ኣብ መጨረሻ ነቶም ቆልዑት ኢኻ ቪክቲም ትገብሮም ማለት እዩ። ቆልዑ ኣብ ክንዲ ቪክቲም ትገብር ምርድዳእ እዩ። ምርድዳእ እንተዘይከኣልካ ብሰላም ተፈላሊኻ እውን ብሰላም ምንባር ኣሎ እዩ ማለት እየ። ብሓፈሽኡ ንእግረ መንገድና እውን ኣብኡ ከለና ኣብ መኪና ሜቶም ስለ ዝፀንሑ ምናልባት ምስ ግዜ ዝፍለጥ እቲ ዲቴል ዝኾነ ኢንፎርሜሽን ነማውቶኦም ዝምልከት ግን ብሓፈሻ ኣብ መኪና ቆልዑት ዓፂኻ ረሲዕኻ ምኻድ ገለ ሂወት ሰብ ምጥፋእ ከም ትቆትሎም ዘለኻ ከም ዝሕሰብ ክንፈልጥ እዩ ዝግባአና። ለሰይሲ ሰባት ረሲዖም ኣብ መኪና ቆልዑት ይኸዱ እዮም ብጌጋ ዘይኮነስ ረሲዖም ክርስዕ ስለ ዝኽእል ሰብ ኮይኑ ዋላ እውን ኣልዛይመር ሕማም ዘሎ ሰብ ክኸውን ይኽእል ንኣብነት ማለት እየ። ቆልዑት እንድሕር ደኣኒ ቬትሮ ብፍላይ ኣብ ሙቐት ዝኾነ ግዜ እንድሕር ቬትሮ ንፋስ ዘይብሉ ዓፂኻ መኪና ከይድካ ዳስት ኦክሲጅን ኣይኣትዎምን እቶም ቆልዑት ከዓ ብሕፅረት ትንፋስ ሂወቶም ይስእኑ ማለት እዩ። ንሱ ዲጋጢሞዎም ዘሎ ዋላስ ኦን ፐርፐስ ብዕላማ ዝተገብረ ካልእ ዓይነት ነቀታትሎም ዝምልከት ፅፁይ ዝኾነ ዲቴል ሓበሬታ ዋላ እኳ እንተዘየለ ኣቦኦም ግን ከም ቀታሊ ተራእዩ ናብ ፍርዲ ክቐርብ ምዃኑ እዩ እቲ ሓበሬታ ኣብ መኪና ኣቦኦም ከም ዘበለ ማለት እዩ። ብጣዕሚ ዘሕዝነካ ብጣዕሚ ከም ኤርትራዊ ከምዚ ዓይነት ዜና ክትሰምዕ ኣይኮነን ኣብ ኤርትራውያን ኮይኑሲ ዋላ ኣብ ወደቅ ካልእ ዜጋ ኮይኑ ኸማን ከምዚ ዓይነት ዜና ክትሰምዖ ከለካ ኣዝዩ መሕዘኒ ኣዝዩ ኣሰቃቂ ዝኾነ ቅትለት ሞ ኣብ ልዕሊ ህፃውንቲ 3 ዓመት 5 ዓመት ጓልን ወድን ኣዝዮም ንኣሽቱ ቆልዑት ብጣዕሚ ዘሕዝነካ ንመላእ እቲ ስድራ ቤት ፅንዓት ይሃብ ነቶም ህፃውንቲ ቆልዑት ከዓ ኣምላኽ ኣብ ገነት ይቀበሎም። ወል ንዝያዳ ሓበሬታ ምናልባት ኣብ ኮርት ምስ ቀረበ ንቀታትሎም ዝምልከት እንታይ እቲ ናቱ ፎልት ነይሩ እንታይ ይብልካ ኣብ ልዕሎም ገይሩ ምስ ግዜ እቲ ሓበሬታ ምስ ረኸብናዮ እናባኹም ክነብሎ ኢና። ኣዝዩ መሕዘኒ ዝኾነ እዩ። ታደ ከምዚ ክትገልፆ ፀንሐሲ ከመይ ገይረ እያ ክትክእሎ ከቢድ እዩ። ነዚ ሲ ኣብ ኩሉ ማዕከናት ዜና ናይ ካናዳ ብዛዕባ እዩ እቲ ዘረባ ዘሎ ሕጂ ኣብ ዝኾነ ቻነላት ተሪኢኻ ከም ትገልጾ
having this, nightmare. I don't know how she's going to bear it.
A father charged in the deaths of his own children.
The probe continues into the leak of voters' information, but some say it could have been prevented weeks ago. And a little spring cleaning outside St. Michael Eritrean Orthodox Church in Bridgeland. So, Kevin, what more do we know about the incident?
And police say that while the children were found on Thursday, they believe they were actually killed just before midnight on Wednesday. And they also say it was the father who called police while he was driving towards the police station with the children's bodies in the car. Police say the father picked up the children between 5 and 6 p.m. We've learned he told their mother he was taking them to a playground. When they did not return, the mother contacted police and was told her best recourse was through the courts. Investigators say that's where they found her, at the courthouse, and delivered the news in person. Friends tell CTV the couple was separated but still on good terms. Police confirmed they'd been called to the home 4 times in the past, but no charges were ever laid. Members of Calgary's Eritrean community gathered this morning at St. Michael Eritrean Orthodox Church. The mother arrived overcome with grief and had to be helped into the building.
Honestly, it's really a nightmare for the community.
ያ ናይ ባሓቂ ናይትሜር እዩ ክትሰምዖ ከማለይ ብጣዕሚ መደንፆ ብጣዕሚ መሕዘኒ ኣዝዩ ከቢድ ዝኾነ ሓዘን እዩ እሞ ከዓ ብኣዝዮም ናእሽቱ ኢኖሰንት ዝኾኑ ቆልዑት ህፃናት ብጣዕሚ መሕዘን እዩ ስድሮኦም ተፈላለዮም ከም ዝኾኑ ኩሉ ግዜ ዋላ ተፈላለዩካ ደቅካ ግን ሓደ ብፅሕ ሓደ እንጣሽሚ ይገብር እዩ ናይቲ ፋዘር ፎልት ምዃኑ እሱ ከዓ በቲ ቅትለት ተሓታቲ ምዃኑ ኣብ ፍርዲ ቀርብ ምዃኑ እቲ ሓበሬታ ቀሪቦሞ ዘለዉ ዝኾነ this is really bad news. صناعتي أبعاد هذا زيادة مالتي أزي خبيدي ملا تصوري فلتن سوم دم زركها خلت دك أني رم ولا خلوني روا أبو عيد عشمي قبرني جم إذا ممكن تقولعت 3 عامات كم 5 عامات قالنا نودن ماكينة بيتهم كم تروحوا بيزر ذلا يا صناعتي أب فاميلي كمون the whole community أب كالجاري نزول له مالتي سنين عقوم دك عدنا